Apothecary review. So coming to you live from my kitchen, going to give you this review on Apothecary. So last week I was up till about 1 o'clock in the morning, which is after the optimal sleep time. Well, between 10 and 2 a.m. is the optimal sleep time to get that restful sleep. But many of us are in front of TVs, computers, under EMF waves from telephone lines, Wi-Fi, and the lights in the offices. So we are stimulated in different ways than we used to be in the past. So what the Apothecary does is it helps us improve sleep, reduces free radicals, has a high ORAC value, and it's just all natural tart cherry. And the reason why, let me hold it up for you. The reason why it is so awesome is because it produces the melatonin in your body naturally. It makes your body produce it, sort of like when you take steroids and you take those steroids and it stops your body from producing testosterone naturally, and your testes shrivel up. Or for women, reverse stuff happens to them. So I haven't ever met anybody who's done that, but I've heard from men, yeah, it doesn't turn out good. You've seen all the stories. But the Apothecary review, I just wanted to give you some information here about this amazing product. When I took it at 1 a.m. and I took 3 tablespoons. A maintenance is one tablespoon. To get started on it, they recommend 2 tablespoons, and if you want to get into a deep sleep, you can take 3. So I took the 3, and by the time I woke up at 6 a.m. the following day, I felt rejuvenated and ready to go. And that's what's so awesome about the Apothecary. It produces the melatonin in the body naturally, so you can get that deep, restful sleep. And even though I stayed up past that optimal sleep time, I still felt great in the morning, ready to go, and made it to the next day no problem. Now, I don't recommend staying up till 1 o'clock every single night and then taking this. Recommend getting to bed earlier, and then you can get up early, get to bed early, wake up early, and you feel great. You have a quiet morning to start stuff, do your own tasks, meditate, plan out your day. But really, if you want to have a successful day tomorrow, it starts with planning it out today and getting to bed at a reasonable hour and taking the Apothecary. Sometimes if I want to really kick it into high gear, I will take the Apothecary with the CBD oil. So excuse those people going by. I will take the Apothecary with the CBD oil, and man, I am out like a light, and I feel like I'm not even in my body. That's how deep I'm sleeping. And when I wake up, rejuvenated, ready to go. So that's it. Just wanted to give you this quick review on the Apothecary review and share with you my experience, how awesome it is. Make sure to click the code below, click the link below. You get 25% off or $50 off, whatever works out for the product, depending on what you spend. And thanks for stopping by for this Apothecary review. Take care.